Ready with me for my grad party. Okay, so it's actually not just like my grad party. Basically, it's like a joint grad party with a bunch of our family friends that we like went to preschool with. I'm really excited. We're all wearing our college shirts. I'll do a college reveal at the end of this video. I know this sounds so cheesy, but like I just can't believe how fast time is flying. Also, I literally straightened my hair like not even 10 minutes ago, and I don't know why it's like already like not being straight. So literally so funny because basically this weekend I was like in Miami at the Pink Pom Puff event, and I met so many of my friends and like mutuals that I like hadn't met yet, and every single person said either like, oh my gosh, you're so much shorter in real life, or like I wasn't expecting you to be that short. I'm 4'10" by the way. When I would like tell people I'm 18, they'd be like, no you're not. Actually, if I said like, yeah, I'm actually graduating in like 2 weeks, they'd be like, what? Yes, it's true, guys. I'm done with high school. Okay, I actually have to leave in literally 10 minutes. Another thing that's literally crazy is that all these people that I'm like having this graduation party with are like, I've literally grown up with them. Like we literally all graduated preschool together and like went to preschool together. Like where'd all the time go for real? It's like just all our families, but there are 11 kids, 2 sets of twins though, so there are 9 families. That is literally crazy. So party's at 11. It's currently 10:30 and I woke up at 8:30. Wait, why is this video literally already so long? Unrelated to graduation, but I met so many of you guys in Miami and I had the best time ever, and I just want to say thank you guys so much again. Like genuinely, I hope you guys understand how much I love you and how much I love meeting you. And when you come up to me and say hi or ask to take a picture or a video or like whatever, that like makes my day. Like you guys are literally the best followers I could have ever asked for. Okay, I'm so nervous and I genuinely don't know why, because I've literally known these people my entire life. Like, what do you mean we're not all just like gonna be like right near each other anymore? Okay, I'm gonna go put my college shirt on. I'll be right back. College reveal in 3, 2, 1. I'm going to Elon University. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much.
Всем привет, это GRWM заснять для вас видео. Сегодня в 4 утра я приехала домой с Туркестана, и честно скажу, мне очень понравилось. Эта неделя в Туркестане прошла настолько быстро, что кажется, будто прошло всего пару дней. Мы были в отеле Медина, и сюда я поставлю фоточку. В этом отеле у нас был бассейн, где глубина составляла 160 сантиметров. Кстати, мне на бартер пришла мицеллярная вода и тоник, поэтому ждите обзорчик. Меня бесит то, что у меня хриплый голос, потому что там в отеле мы визжали от радости и плакали, и вообще все на свете было. Больше всего из развлекательных центров мне нереально понравился летающий театр. Этот летающий театр был о казахском ханстве, но, к сожалению, этот процесс снимать было нельзя. Но там было просто бесконечно круто. Ну и теперь мой Get Ready With Me подошел к концу, и всем пока!